The Model 3, similar to the Model S, is a back-wheel drive auto in its base frame, with a back-mounted engine. All-wheel drive adaptations include a front engine and different redesigns including Ludicrous Mode execution. These are required to end up accessible at some point in the second 50% of 2018. Tesla has not yet indicated the limits in kilowatt-hours of the two accessible battery packs, and the Model 3 moves to a terminology that isn't fixated on the measure of vitality stockpiling. Until further notice, there will be two variants, standard and long range. The standard adaptation has an EPA-assessed driving scope of 220 miles and will quicken to 60 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds, as indicated by Tesla, while the long-range rendition goes 310 miles on a charge and is guaranteed to influence the 60 mile per hour to dash in 5.1 seconds. Top speed is recorded as 130 miles per hour for the standard Model 3 and 140 miles per hour for the long-range show. The Model 3 doesn't utilize an indistinguishable battery innovation from the Model S. It utilizes cells with another science and organization delivered by provider Panasonic. These cells are amassed into the battery pack at Tesla's Gigafactory in Sparks, Nevada.